Hey guys, Brandon here with SlingMods.com, and today I'll be installing a must-have mod for the Can-Am Spyder Trick LEDs bolt-on handlebar drink holder. Cup holders are things we all take for granted until you're on the road and need to quench your thirst. Now you can ride in style and comfort with our new bolt-on handlebar cup holder mount for the Can-Am Spyder. This plastic drink holder mounts to a factory bolt hole located behind the handlebar control switch panel. This simple 5-minute installation makes this a great mod for anyone and keeps your drink safe while riding. Now check out how easy this is to put on. Start by using a 3mm Allen to remove the stock bolt seen here. Next, take the new screw and slide on the lock washer, followed by the washer, then cup holder, and then finally the rubber spacer. And then tighten that down into the same place we removed the stock bolt from. Alright guys, it's as easy as that. Now head over to SlingMods.com today to pick up your cup holder mount for your Spyder today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you next time. Thank you.